Welcome to Tito Cal's VlogVloggan! Hello, for today's video, it's time
for Matcha's
hand feeding.
hand feeding. So this is the day 4. Day 4 of Matcha's hand feeding.
Matcha's hand.
Yeah, Rio. Rio's the name, the other bird.
Yeah.
Okay. Hi, Matcha. Okay, let's see. Hi, Matcha.
So,
Good morning, Matcha.
So I'm the nephew of Tito Cal. I pet Rio
Hold this. Can you hold that?
I pet Rio in the head and the beak.
Oh,
Also the beak.
okay. So, Matcha's hand feeding day 4.
So I'm gonna take a bath.
Yeah, okay. Okay, let's eat, Matcha. Matcha, eat, Matcha. Okay, Matcha. Matcha, okay. Okay, huh? Matcha. Okay. Yay! 1 down! Matcha, galing. Okay, Matcha. Second batch. Ano pa tayo? Isa. Okay, kanan. Tapos ko lang isa kumain. Matcha, diba? Open your beak. Open your beak. Matcha, open your beak. Yeah. Okay. Okay, one more time. Ano na ito? Last one, Matcha. Last one. Open your beak. Yeah. Okay. Okay, kamusta? Done now, Matcha. This is the day 4 of hand feeding a green cheek Conure Parrot. Okay. So, tomorrow, hindi, 3 times a day siya or 4 times a day kumakain. So, later kakain siya. This is the first time. Monday, January 25. Birthday niya na ngayon. Happy birthday, Irvin Johnson Fernandez. Absolute happy birthday.
Hello.
We just got from SM.
So we're gonna do a quick tour of the
Birds,
birds.
okay.
So this is Matcha.
Wow.
Matcha is the tahimik bird.
Where's Matcha? Show Matcha. Hi, Matcha.
And then here is Rio.
Rio.
The manok bird.
Where's Rio? Okay.
That's why she's a manok.
Yeah, and then, who's that?
Susie.
Susie is what kind of bird?
Budgie, my first ever bird.
Okay, first ever bird. And then,
Coco.
okay, let's go. Okay. Where's Coco? Okay. Hey, where is Coco? Hi, Coco. Where's Coco?
Here.
Hi, Coco. Hi, Coco. Oh.
So, Coco.
Mm.
Why is Coco eating food?
Coco, ba? Maybe. Coco. Coco.
It bites.
Coco.
Why is it
Coco.
eating its poop? Eating its poop. Is that normal?
I don't know. There's no water. Okay, hello Coco.
So,
Ha?
Coco.
Kaya mo kaya mong kunin si Coco. Akin na yung ano.
Hello guys. So,
So we're going to get ano?
Don't
What's the
forget
name again?
Coco.
Coco.
Don't forget put this.
Coco. 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 Oh, why are you? Coco.
Ew.
Dito.
I'm seeing the Coco.
Another. Diyan.
So it's weird.
Coco.
Ay, ba't madumi yung kanyang ano?
Ay. Parang ano.
Kumain ng pupo.
Okay, guys, this is Coco. And what type of bird is this?
A
What kind of bird? Cockatiel.
It's eating its poop.
Yeah. Oh my. Oh,
Tumingin.
why are you ano?
I love
Nanono
her.
ka? Hi guys. Oh, this is Coco. This is the lovely bird cage.
And I think we need to put the food down again.
So you know. Ayun, right.
So that's cool.
Okay guys, so paano ka na? Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe.
Thank you watching and subscribe and share this video, like and subscribe for Tito Kaia.
VlogVloggan. Bye-bye. Okay.